Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you looking for durable, easy to maintain, affordable bakeware and cookware? In part one of this two-part video, I'll share the difference between bakeware and cookware materials, 18-8 versus 1810 stainless steel, nonstick versus uncoated, and some of the health risk associated with Teflon and PFOA. In part 2, reactive versus non-reactive and oven-safe cookware, and what to look for when buying cookware, like fabrication and whether or not you save money buying a set or individual pieces. Bakeware and cookware come in a variety of materials, including aluminum, cast iron, copper, glass, porcelain enamel, steel, and stainless steel. Aluminum provides many advantages like low cost, lightweight, oven safe, heats up quickly, even heat distribution, and available coated and uncoated. Some disadvantages are uncoated aluminum reacts with acidic foods, giving foods a metallic flavor. It's softer than steel, so it's easily scratched and warped. And non-metallic utensils should be used to prevent damage. Cast iron pots and pans have been around for hundreds of years. With proper care, they'll last for generations. This skillet is over 50 years old. Cast iron is low cost, oven safe, can last a lifetime. It's safe for very high heat cooking and can be used with induction burners. But without proper care, cast iron will rust. It's not dishwasher safe, it's not nonstick, it reacts with acidic foods and may require reseasoning, and it's a poor heat conductor. Copper cookware has also been around for hundreds of years. It's oven safe, it has the best thermal conductivity, and has excellent heat distribution. The disadvantages are it can be very expensive, it reacts with acidic foods, it can leach into foods, can cause copper poisoning, and it's heavier than aluminum. Pure copper rapidly oxidizes when exposed to oxygen and moisture and reacts with acidic foods. Most consumer copper cookware and bakeware is coated on the inside with non-reactive tin or stainless steel. The high cost of copper compared to other metals makes real copper cookware very expensive. Inexpensive copper-colored cookware is aluminum with a non-stick coating. Glass is used more for bakeware than cookware. It's oven-safe, affordable, and non-reactive. There are many disadvantages. It can chip or break, it's a poor heat conductor, can require reduced oven temperature and increased baking time, and most US-made glassware is made with soda lime glass instead of borosilicate. Borosilicate glass has better thermal shock strength but weaker mechanical strength. That means it can go from cold to hot or hot to cold without breaking, but don't drop it. Soda lime glass is the opposite. It has better mechanical shock strength, but weaker thermal shock. This baking dish is made from soda lime glass. It is oven safe, but not broiler safe. How can you tell if glassware is made from borosilicate or soda lime? If the brand name is Pyrex, you can tell by the spelling. All uppercase letters is the original Pyrex borosilicate glass. Lowercase usually indicates soda lime. Next is porcelain enamel. Porcelain enamel cookware and bakeware has been around for decades. It ranges from thin carbon steel like this roasting pan to decorative cast iron. It's inexpensive, non-reactive, less sticking than steel and stainless steel, and porcelain-coated steel is lighter than cast iron. Like cast iron, porcelain-coated cast iron is heavy. Porcelain can chip, chipped areas can rust, and porcelain can be scratched. And it should be hand washed and dried. Regular steel is usually used for inexpensive bakeware. It's non-reactive, has many shapes and sizes, and it's available with and without non-stick coatings. The disadvantage is it can rust. It should be hand washed and dried. It has poor heat distribution, it's slow to heat up and cool down, and it's heavier than aluminum. Finally, there's stainless steel. It's affordable, durable, non-reactive, available in many sizes. It's available uncoated and non-stick, and magnetic stainless steel works with induction. Disadvantages are it's a poor heat conductor, it's slow to heat up and cool down, can be very heavy, non-magnetic stainless steel will not work with induction, and more difficult to clean. Both steel and stainless steel are poor heat conductors. To improve heat distribution, steel pans can have a solid or clad bottom, or a layer of aluminum or copper sandwiched between two or more layers of steel. A wide variety of affordable cookware and bakeware is made from iron and steel. Iron is the main metal for cast iron, steel, and stainless steel. Cast iron is primarily iron plus carbon. Steel is iron, carbon, and other metals like manganese and chromium. Stainless steel is high in chromium and nickel. 18/8 or 18/8 is the designation used exclusively for cookware. Specifications for 18/8 include SAE 304 and UNS S30400. What does 18/8 mean? It means the steel averages 18% chromium and 8% nickel. It's low cost, easy to manufacture, and has excellent corrosion resistance. It can pit when not processed correctly. It can be non-magnetic and not work with induction burners. 1810 stainless steel averages 18% chromium and 10% nickel. Its higher nickel content increases luster and has slightly better thermal properties than 18/8. Is 1810 stainless steel real? Some conspiracy theorists claim it's a way of justifying higher prices for 18/8 cookware. Except for consumer cookware, 1810 is SAE 316. It's a 300 series stainless steel. That doesn't mean the entire pan is made from costlier 1810 steel. Until the 1950s, no cookware or bakeware had what we now call a non-stick coating. The first non-stick Teflon-coated consumer cookware became available in 1961. Before non-stick coatings, home bakers used paper liners, wax, and parchment paper, or coated cookware with a thin layer of fat dusted with flour to prevent sticking. Today, you can choose between coated and non-coated cookware and bakeware. Some people avoid cast iron, believing foods will stick and it's difficult to clean and maintain. Like any cookware, cast iron has its strengths and weaknesses. This pineapple upside-down cake was baked in a cast iron skillet without sticking. Cornbread baked in cast iron had minimal sticking. Some people claim seasoning stainless steel makes it non-stick. In most cases, the amount of moisture determines whether or not foods stick to bare metal pans like stainless steel. Fats and oils prevent most foods from sticking to uncoated cookware. Nonstick cookware is marketed as requiring little or no fat to prevent sticking and easy cleanup. That's why most home cooks prefer nonstick cookware. In reality, nonstick means less sticking and easier cleanup if properly used and maintained. There's been a lot of controversy about the safety and health risks of Teflon and PFOA. Teflon is a trade name for a fluoroplastic. The chemical name is polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE. There are health concerns about the safety of PTFE coatings exposed to high heat and PFOA used to make nonstick cookware. High heat is 500 degrees Fahrenheit and higher. Most cooking and baking temperatures are less than 400 degrees. Even deep fat frying is between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Most cooking fats and oils have smoke points of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or less. PTFE coatings begin to break down at temperatures above 500 degrees. If you do a lot of high heat cooking and are concerned about PTFE health risks, there are other nonstick coatings. They include anodized, ceramic, granite, and titanium. PFOA is a commonly used surfactant that was used to make nonstick PTFE cookware. The World Health Organization classifies PFOA as a possible human carcinogen. Due to health concerns, most PTFE cookware is made without PFOA. That may not be the case with inexpensive imported PTFE-coated cookware. The fact a PTFE or non-PTFE coated cookware is PFOA-free does not mean you're not exposed to PFOA. PFOA is used to make carpeting, upholstery, apparel, floor wax, textiles, firefighting foam, and sealants. If you're concerned about the safety of nonstick coatings, you can cook with cast iron, enameled steel, enameled cast iron, and stainless steel. I hope you found the information in this video informative. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating!